Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to have a quick look at the Casio MRW 200H series. This is a great daily watch, a great beater, a great tool watch for those in search of something that they can take anywhere. This can actually take a good beating and still work. As you can see, I have had this watch for several years and it is running very good. Now the first thing that you need to know is that this watch has a diver's style look. Although it is not a diver, it has 100 meters of water resistance. It doesn't feature a screw down crown, so it is a push and pull crown. You might see a screw down crown written in some places, but that is not accurate. Then you have a bidirectional bezel. It doesn't have a click, but as you can see, it gets the job done and you can easily adjust it. Then we have the day-date complication. This is something that I really like about this watch. And also you will have a double language, meaning you can set either for English or the second language. So if I pull the crown to the first position in order to set the date, you can see that I have Monday, then I have the second one, which is going to be lunes. In this case, we have Spanish, and you can decide which language you want to keep. Then if you rotate in the other direction, you are going to be able to set the day of the month. So you have a day-date complication. That is something really cool. Then if you pull the crown to the last position, you can see that the seconds hand has stopped. This means that the movement also has a hacking, another big plus for this price. Additionally, if you look closely on the dial, you'll be able to see that we have military time as well. So we have the hour markers up to 24. This means that it is going to be very easy to read, and this is something that has been included in a lot of field watches, military watches. So another big plus for this watch. Then when it comes to the movement, we have a Japanese Mayota movement, so a quartz movement. This means that it is going to keep very good accuracy. You do not need to worry about setting the time every few days because you have an automatic watch. This is a great watch that is going to keep very accurate time. And also you can see that each second hits the hour markers perfectly. This is another big plus that a lot of watch enthusiasts like. So you want to have these hour markers being perfectly hit by the seconds hand. This is another big plus that I really like on this watch. Then we have the classic Casio resin plastic style strap. This is going to be very durable. As you can see, I have been wearing this for years and it is in very good condition. Also, we have the classic 4 screws on the back. This means that you are going to have that very good water protection, so water resistance of 100 meters, and it is also very easy to replace the watch battery by yourself. Then another big plus is that you have this very easy access to the watch pins, and you can easily remove this watch strap and place the Casio on a NATO strap. That is something that I have seen a lot of people do. So guys, overall, this is one of the best Casio watches out there with the analog display, the day-date complication, the 100 meters of water resistance, this diver style look, and also the field watch dial. Once again, guys, a great Casio with the Casio DNA, very good accuracy, definitely worth a look, and I would definitely recommend you buy this watch on Amazon right now, guys, before they discontinue it. So guys, that was the quick video that I had for you today. I just wanted to point out all the things that I love about this Casio MRW 200H series. There is not much that I don't like about it, especially in this price range. I would definitely recommend to check the link in the description below in order to buy it because it is a great watch. I'm also going to make some other tutorials on how to set the time, how to replace the watch battery, so make sure to check them out, guys. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you have this model, a similar one, a different color, a different variation, the smaller ladies model maybe. And also, if you enjoy vintage watches, guys, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Once again, guys, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on the next video.